Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing the sound deadening material inside the my '67 Ford Mustang. That's what was left over from. I did some behind the dash and underneath the headliner here. So what I'm gonna do is put it all over the floorboard in this episode. Stay tuned.
Music bed.
First thing that I have to do is remove the seat. I had put the seat in there, that way I can take it on the first test drive, which I did. So now I'm gonna take the seat out, vacuum all the floorboard here, take everything out of the trunk, do like a nice wipe down with some oil eater, and then start laying the underlayment here. Sound that floor, vacuumed it, and went ahead and just wiped it down. I put the rubber, it's like the little plug on that hole there, one on the firewall. I'll do that side once I get to that side, but what I'm gonna do now is get my heat gun and just kind of, heat up the floor as I start laying the underlayment here, and just work my way on the whole floor. So all the sound deadening materials done here on the inside. It just takes time, one piece at a time, keep going, cut it, put it next to each other, use the small pieces for like the little bands, things like that. So this is all pretty much set in here. I'm gonna take off the speaker box that I made, and then this bottom piece, and I'm gonna do the trunk. So I have a pretty good amount left. If I need to, I'll order another box, but that should be enough for back here. If I do have a little bit left, then I may go a little bit more on the quarter panels. I do want to put some on the inside of those quarter pieces as well, but I think I should have a pretty good amount. The trunk, I'm just gonna pretty much do the floor and the sides. But if not, I'll order another box of these from Amazon. This stuff, it's priced pretty well for what it is. I'm not sure if you go with like Dynamat. I know that stuff is really expensive compared to this. It's probably better quality, but you know, I put this stuff on the saline and it did make a little bit of a difference. I'm debating whether to order a new carpet for this. So if I order a new carpet, I'm gonna order the pieces that go here, like the insulation for the floor. On each piece, you can opt for those pieces. There's like a pad you can get, and then I'll get the carpet that has the thicker pad too. So I do have my old carpet up there. I'm gonna bring it down and just see how it is. I mean, as far as condition, it's not ripped or anything. I just want to see if I should order the new one now or just put that on there, use it for, you know, a while, with same with the seats, you know, and then later on get like a new carpet. So I'm gonna move to the trunk and get that one done next. So I have the trunk all set. You know, I got it all sound deadening material on there. I'm not gonna do, like I said, the sides, just because I'm doing the, you know, the pieces here for the trunk mostly. Here on the trunk, I mean, you know, I don't really, it's not a big deal if there's noise. On the bottom, just it kind of serves as insulation for the exhaust a little bit. I did a couple layers here on the gas tank just because that's where I have the board here that's going to go on top. And I want to make sure that, you know, it's going to be sitting right on top of the gas tank. So I want to ensure that it's not going to like kind of damage the tank, or, you know, I'm going to bolt it down so it shouldn't rub a hole through it, but I want to make sure there's you know, some material in between the wood and the gas tank. So this is all done, and then I also have the inside done. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is the next episode, I'm gonna go ahead and get my carpet down. I'm also gonna finish the trunk setup, so I'll show you guys that the end to that. I'm gonna wrap it in carpet and everything, and then start putting the carpet and the interior kind of back together. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.